Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to see and hear today? Let's start with some cards and see what we get. Nurture. Nurture others and also yourself. Let it go. Write down your worries. Feeling like your brain's a tangled mess of yarn? Grab a pen, spill those worries onto paper, then crumple it up and give those troubles a slam dunk into the trash. Or throw it in a fire. It's like a mental basketball game. Life is about growth. Growth is a constant journey. Reflect on how far you've come and be proud of your personal evolution. I am at peace with my age. Each age has its own special joys and experiences. I am always the perfect age for where I am in life. That's a good reminder. Just appreciate where you are. Interwoven growth. Like tree rings, each year deepens your bond, marking shared time and depth. Seed of potential. Plant the seed of potential, nurture its sprouting promise with your attention and care. Thrive and believe, embrace growth and trust and promise. Keep an open mind. Answers reveal the path to fulfillment. You belong to life. With love and reverence, you will find the peace and harmony of this. And our last card today, before we go to our envelopes of perspectives. I'm going to be nicer to myself. Alrighty, let's pick the greeny one today. If you want to continue facing life, the most important thing isn't learning the new lessons you have to learn. It's unlearning the old ones we have to let go of. Humble the poet. Do I want to change something in my life? If so, what? What kept me from making this change so far? Reflect on that. Perspective number 685. I may not always learn my lesson, but when I do, you can bet I learned it the hard way. Yes, yes, yes. I'm annoyed because I want to live my life without a job. Teeny joys that aren't so teeny. Fresh sheets, a long shower, real belly laughs, someone checking in on you, that first sip of coffee or tea, a song you forgot you loved. And the last one today, Caroline Leaf's perspective. Your purpose is not the thing you do, it's the thing that happens in others when you do what you do. Alrighty, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigas.